Paul Adom-Otchere, 2 days to your wedding in 2005, 2 days to your wedding, you had anal intercourse with a man called Alex Yeboah. He was a very good friend of Gabi Otchere. You have forgotten about those records, right? 2 days. I will be worried. 2 days. I will show you what you don't want to see in your life. What can become Obusia? Obia Bejinidie. Every single person will take a hit. That is how it works. Now, I'm in coming. This man, his name is Paul Adom-Otchere. And the Wednesday, meantime, Wednesdays, meantime, basho so. So when my basho Wednesday, and I say, I was saying me be clear your be. Somebody says he does printing and branding. If you do printing and branding, go in our inbox and send us your flyer. We will do free ad for you. His number is, I just saw his number, 05537450065. His name is Kwamina Williams. I print rubber bags. Kwamina, send your company signboard to our inbox. I will promote your business for you for free. Yes, we need to support made in Ghana and local business. Inti ato Mikrom Fantini, do that. I will do that for you tomorrow. Ochere Friday. Ochere our business we are busy promoting now. Send it into our inbox. We will promote the show for you, your company, your business for you. People will patronize Aya Unyama. It's always important. This platform, no, that's what we do. Inti more and more businesses, you know, Ochina, my team will be on standby. Send your flyer to your inbox. We will gather every single, say 1,000 crowd, Ochina, I'll take care of every single flyer. For our location, Kahon, or billboard, no, we'll flyer a company signboard, was a signpost to say flyer, no. Make sure you have your location, your phone number, any CBO within also. I will do everything. Ochina Thursday, yes, Ochina Thursday. I will read a few of them, promote, do a lot of ads for you guys for free. Minju Bia Capre. Ochina Thursday, I'll do that for free. Into more and more companies in Yamun sending to our inbox, we will do that for you. Now, this gentleman, his name is Paul Adom-Otchere. Now, I'm going to start from the back. Paul Adom-Otchere is a liar. He's a thief. And you see, there's something you always need to understand. Say, say, ubedi konkonsa, indirectly, obesenko for life, you should be prepared for the response. And I keep telling Ghanaians, say, a slicky, slimy, flimsy, a sticky, smelly, lousy person like Paul Adom-Otchere, very lousy, slicky, phlegmy, very disgusting, slimy, very nauseating creatures like these who are so involved in drugs. You know, he takes a lot of drugs. This boy or this guy is a liar. And he's dangerous to our society. I call it consistently for some time now. We had the opportunity to destroy lives. And the reason is, for a very long time, people didn't know, say, way, he's a home breaker. He is a snitch. He is a gossip. He's corrupt. He's a liar. He's a thief. He's a sycophant. He's a hypocrite. He's a walking theft. Nancy nearby picture anymore. And you started say you expose the likes of Paul and then call for Maka. But for a very long time, people like these political insects, they got a lot of room to misbehave and misinform. Our system, and I said Ghana as a nation, we gave too much room to such people. Inti emomo be feel say they control minds. whatever they say at the end of the day should be what majority of us Ghanaians we should believe. Enti nyoma started say dane. Social media eba system nim. People now doing their own checks, fact checking them, no. They have become very irrelevant. So what they are doing now is that they always want to play the victim role. Oh, somebody's against me. Oh, some people hate me. Hey, this person is making this person speak about me. But the real truth is their character is filthy. This is a guy who has no principles. Togbe afedi eyi sika ma ne kwaye wedding. Owie bedidi togbe afedi atem. This is a man who is next to a pig. On Kainichi. This is a filthy old fool who thinks because of the opportunity he has gotten to sit behind a mic or a camera, he can use that to destroy every single person. And you see, they are stuck in that era, no? So they don't understand why today nobody is paying attention to them. Nobody is listening to them. Why today they have no respect on the streets, even in their own family. They don't know why it's happening. It is because of their character. This guy and then a friend, they do drugs or assassin. That is why Adom-Otchere and the free say abese aqua. He stinks. He looks dirty. He looks old. He looks wretched. He looks filthy. Everything about a dirty man, you can find it in this guy called Adom-Otchere. So this is the Adom-Otchere. Anytime you can say he's a drug addict, he looks like somebody who lives in Philadelphia. He looks like somebody who lives on the street of Pennsylvania. A homeless person in Philly. That's how he looks like. Today, you see this thief trying to make it look like, oh, he has achieved something in life. He has achieved nothing. What this guy has achieved is lies, peddling falsehood, creating impressions that they are intelligent. He went to law school, he could not pass. It shows how low na adwene tie. Na adwene sa ed say before Charlie. Now, let me start from the back. This is Adom-Otchere. Maybe you, the young ones, you don't know. This is Adom-Otchere. I can show you the new Adom-Otchere. Mr. S, get me the new Adom-Otchere. Now, I'm the Enche Ghana for before I deal with the matter itself. Mr. S, get me the other picture of Adom-Otchere. In fact, I need to do it and put it. I'm going to speak on the issue. These are dirty riffraffs. Very, very dirty people. Because of greed. Dirty politics. Mr. S, I think I have something. Where is? I want to show Ghanaians the kind of dirty, flimsy creature we are dealing with. Very filthy. Intimwa motuwandeka se na Paul pa onye. That is Adom-Otchere. Besides, do you have it for me? Get me Adom-Otchere 2025. Get me the drug addicts in 2025. Now, if I be in Ghana for. They think say yet Ghana ha yenim the ekoso. We will show them the ekoso. I'm trying to find you Adom-Otchere in 2025, 2024, 2025. I want you to see the kind of person I'm talking about. Besides, do you have it for me? Thank you very much, Mr. S. This guy. Let me minimize this. Very dirty, ungrateful people. Such a fool. This is Adom-Otchere before and after. Watching chine. People say, oh, he's looking good. Hey, he's dying. Watching chine. And it's all because of the drugs he does. He sniffs. So Paul, he does hard drugs. Now, if you want to know who a man is, you need to go back and look at his track record. Anytime when we say Paul responded to something about him, then it is 100% true. As Samaya Kafan Hono, 100%. But you see what he does? Say Paul Edin Kwasiasem na yechina. His strategy is that instead of him addressing the matter on the table, Paul Okobo Dro any acho, Paul Okobo Jantra any acho. Did you do it? Was it you? Una onume drono. Una ko Christmas tree sikano. Then he will start to bring other people in. Oh, asimesi way. Oh, wakwa did he way atem? Asimesi way. Oh, wonkai. Or did he way atem? Oh, asimesi way. He will not address the matter itself. Such a man, oh, your banana in the demo, bet to me the pillow kum or a dangerous. This is a man who is able to go after his girlfriend's brother's wife. This guy is dangerous than poison. The girlfriend, this guy sleeps with her. This is Paul Adom-Otchere, the filthy Paul Adom-Otchere. I don't make sure. And you see, there's a lot of them in the system. Omudosum, Omunigabi Muklas in an anti, drug infested fools. So they don't understand why now they don't have that space they used to have in our community, in our settings. Now, when you start from the back, and the Thursday, and the Wednesday, I'm in time, but I'm here for a reason. When you start from the back, maybe Chiremwa has said, Paul is a man, Paul Adom-Otchere is an order dear like myself. Me order dear, me per second. I finished 2002. I don't know the year this fool finished. I'm on that year to say no, but Jimmy na we Jimmy. Paul on Chem will be biamo. No. So you need to understand. On to engineer baby Anka say he's better than me in anything. Nothing. Paul a worry, I'm a worry. Paul is sit down, I'm sit down. Paul a talker, I'm a talker. Paul will investment, I'm investment. So Paul does only be cheme. Every single thing Paul wa on a problem through politics. On ye you may be on a brabum da. Radio yeah, one year radio more than radio now ye you money in an entering on a car back. So you have to understand that Akwawe send Ochika a politician a Tomano. Get it right. He never did radio to even buy a car. Ne wedding crowd took for the tree and the car. A wedding man. So this guy, he's such a filthy embarrassment. Maybe a few months ago, and I'm a bet you Paul Adom-Otchere is a disease. Wakofa ketesia bi. Ena ketesia no ema me ba bonte beka che se Paul oye wi oye kromfo watam sika ena odidi me baba na chi. Ne baba no eti aware ase na Paul edi sika abe repi me ba na abefa me ba no ena Paul ka che Ghana for se me boa eye no kre ema baba wa no ne maame ebe ball Paul dua wo TV so. Very ungrateful guy. Kwasi awe no begina TV so didi togbe afede atem. Paul Adom-Otchere the bush for nobody. Obiano Bob Brat said to Grafedi in Paul Adom-Otchere, the generation in none of his family members. To Grafedi Yisika Esa man car, Emanitim ye wedding. Kwasia we betina TV so did Togbe Afedi atem. This is a political. This guy is a filthy brat. Or a kankabi. Now, and I showed videos of Paul Adom-Otchere. Ne jantra okobo in Germany, abayo bi okofano. And let me show you. Be the French say nam dia be nim say be obi abeti ase. I showed you videos Paul called Germany. On the jantra mpra.
So, wer ein Fahrbahn frei, Fahrbahn räumen. So, wer ein Fahrbahn frei, Fahrbahn räumen.
And a horny old girlfriend.
Okay. This looks good. Me too, sorry.
And Croydon. South.
It will be for 30 children, exaggerated. Some of which will be minister. Okay, so this is the celebrated Black Stars with their captain in the center, Andre. We wish him the best of luck. Our reporter Ibrahim will be telling us who is able to play and who is not able to play. So let's get to the details. Now, read this with me. For Ghana to gain automatic qualification, they will need to come run.
So, Obi yiri no kwaje no. And I beka girl we asem was Paul. Oh, yiri wo fie. You have a wife. And wakodi san kwase se woman girl no maami abebo dua. You know the despicable thing about Paul. He's such a filthy liar. Say, I am still shocked to say about to me worry Paul and it's not dying back. About 3 years ago, I'm catching up say Paul and a year in that dying back because my many worry Paul we you know. Paul you worry you know who say a year no who say Paul was sleeping with another guy. And that Paul wasn't sleeping with another guy, just another guy. Paul was sleeping with other young girls. So Paul, you know, worried or no. After just 8 months, getting to a year, she decided not to sleep with Paul in one room. And I've said this for a very long time. It's Paul video way by maybe show the character. Send the Thursday, Wednesday, member. So don't worry yourself too much. Oko, osi oko enfa video way no catch say oko Germany oko October 1st.
Sammy Gyamfi, Fahrbahn frei, Fahrbahn räumen.
Inti ya chi no. A girl no ma me be born dua still Juno be wu no. He came on TV and he came and acted as if say ono and a dien ono na a victim no. That's what he does. Or a dangerous liar. Inti upon all the things we saw, oni girl oni nam ekese kesene ne nsa ehye na motuom. Ebo jantra ewo Germany no. Yenina technology inti yehu ya no. Paul still came back on TV and listen to this. Mamembo sa ne response na enche Ghana for me. We are message shower die binde. Obetina TV so no muntie de okan.
So viewers, you remember that I'm addressing this matter because I read the text messages and the comments underneath it. And I was completely surprised. So I decided to address it. I think you remember this photograph, viewers. I think you remember this photograph. Last year, I was invited by these two gentlemen that you see here to Oktoberfest in Germany. This is the video. Show them the video.
this video I showed here. Now, Due Respect has a video of me and a lady whom I know well. She's like a family friend. She lives in Germany. And I was in Munich. She doesn't live in Munich. She had come with her family to Oktoberfest. And because I didn't understand German and I know her quite well, I asked her to come along. It's Oktoberfest is a festival, if you know. It's a festival. So it's happening on a park. Everybody's there. It's a very huge park there. And they were showing me German. Some of the park shows German history of German technology, entertainment, fun, all these things, roller coaster, all of that. So we're going through. And I invited her to follow me. So she kept her nanny with her daughters, her children. And then she followed me just so that she can explain the German that the people are saying in case they're saying something. You know, we Africans, we're always suspicious like that. In case they're saying something. And Oktoberfest is a festival. It's fun. So there's hugs, there's pegs, there's all of that going on over there. So when she was leaving, when she finished and she was leaving, she held me and gave me a peg. And there's a video of it, which was loaded on the Oktoberfest Instagram page. Due Respect shows the video yesterday, says that the girl I'm dating her. I have bought a house for $1.2 million in Germany for her. You haven't even heard the words, viewers. I'm coming to it. And that I have stolen $10 million of Ghana airport money and deposited it in the accounts in Germany. And because the lady says she doesn't want me again, or I don't know what it means. She doesn't want me again. I am threatening her. Absolutely, I've never dated her. I'm not threatening her. I've not. So I called her and I said, have you seen this? She doesn't know Due Respect. She has never spoken to Due Respect before. So she's asked her lawyers to draft a statement for her so she can put on social media that she's the lady in the photograph. She has no problem with me. I'm just a friend, a close friend, family friend. She comes to Ghana. She calls me. She's been with me and my family people at a concert in Ghana, Kofi Kenata. We all went to see it. She came there with her children. They were there. And they stayed in the same hotel as me because an Oktoberfest hotel. At some point, I even asked her to go organize watching for me. You know me and my street food things. I ate some watching in Washington, D.C. It was brutal. It was made by Indians. I was in Washington. I said I wanted watching. And one of the people said, okay, I can get you watching. They brought the watching. It was super. So I said, Charlie, can you organize watching for me? We had all that fun. This Due Respect guy says, I am threatening the lady that I will kill her because I'm dating her. And she says she won't date me anymore. I mean, such total fallacy, bizarre story because they don't have content and they're going to have a meeting that try and say something about Paul Adom-Otchere. And I don't know why they always use women. Because the other day, my older brother KKD, they sat on some TV program and said that, I've worked for my roommate. He's still around. You can ask him. I wrote my
So now you see how he explained the story. He went as far to tell us to say, girl no ne lawyers akasa omo draft message bi ebe sin the who message o se girl no onim ne baby or a family friend bi abrofo mieru bi na ono twa picture na de ne call Oktoberfest e Munich girl into Munich and a girl no and then the family buy and a girl no churn around and a video no ko uploading on Oktoberfest Instagram page and a girl no oni ne bibia. This guy is the devil. Paul Adom-Otchere, he is the devil. One explanation all heavy on the videos I showed you. Girl no mama crab can say, "Oh Paul, when I this guy came on TV, put his hand in his pocket, and then started scratching his balls inside his pants and telling people, you know what? I'm not seeing this." He is a terrible liar. Or one crazy guy. So I to warn no Munsana sorry, Obashi in Sanugu. Paul can kill. You see the explanation he gave? He was from the girl. He went to Oktoberfest. He went to Wache, and some people brought him Wache, and he does not know anything. He went round, but he did not address the matter. Now, and then in 3 days, I came back like an old Schwarzenegger. With the Schwarzenegger with the singing our fine white. I came back, and I told Ghana for say, Paul Adom-Otchere, I can say on authority, this is his wife. This is Paul Adom-Otchere's wife. This lady, her name is Rosemary Beryl Archer. In 2022, Ena Ekufuado, Emma Mamiwe, a deputy CEO of Exim Bank. Now, Miami way or worry Paul, we know who's a Paul. He sleeps with men and sleeps with women. So this woman, after roughly a year, she decided not to sleep with Paul in the same room again. Now, Paul, etimiko fama no di oma be fie, matrimonial bed so no abeda. Mami we actually Paul on countless occasions on drugs. This woman, because of her upbringing, she kept it quiet. Enti eni nemwana Mami we kora Exim Bank as the deputy CEO. And Paul started with this girl in Germany and other girls. The woman saw it, the woman knew it, the woman had all the story. She just didn't talk. Because now my so wafan wadwene. Because papa anya shia, bone a friend bone, and also anya she. It is story ne ba no. And I catch a Ghana for say this woman is no more interested in the marriage again. Now wabe so worry somebody she cannot trust, a drug peddler, a drug abuser, somebody who is a womanizer, and also, most importantly, a man who is a liar. Now, 2-3 days ago, Rebecca Cham said, this woman, this honorable lady, with Jai Paul, our gu. There is no our the CNN say the deputies, the CEO of Exim and Nana Dankwe Kufuado, your friend Lawrence. He was having an affair with this woman, Paul Adom-Otchere. And a couple of months ago, it came to light. Say, yes, the affair has been going on. And the family came together, they met, and the woman said, she does not want this marriage again. Paul, as I speak, on an ejai. All because of Paul Subain. All because of Nebra Obo, Be Sibra Tantine. And the woman was so frustrated in that marriage. Oshademna Osu. The Exim Bank former CEO gave her attention and a pa. Inti Exim Bank CEO no. Debia Oshia Poirena pa. Debia. But the woman knew because Obadie Bema Beman attention no and no and obey obetie. It's late and a poor be who say pa. Ana ma amene ka kire ne se masa. Ujimi sema na ujimi ni nyina no. I saw it. Onyonku be ma asebio onte se wo. Ombo be sibra. Onya kwase ampanyi a obumi no. Be the match na man pa. Enti bete ta. Now, I can tell you on authority say Paul and Yere, they are no more because Obane Jai Paul. Because Paul be who say Obano on it sa man no ta. Now because I say ni no. And a Paul eba say obe responde. Oh sa response no the my first videos I'm sure no. Now we are going to play his response he gave to Sammy Gyamfi say sa kwa no born here. As I speak, Paul's marriage has collapsed. On to me, or you say Ghana for Jimmy, maybe Paul BB. Next week, sir, or say, or can be one the editorial when say he's thinking of suing. I want you to sue, then I will show you something you have never seen before in your life. You, Paul Adom-Otchere. Now, Andrea all responded to Asma Meka and say, Akwane diniyere ma warene guno. This is his response. Listen to me very well. And some of the 90% in Faswedi so. As someone say he has to address it, he didn't address it because against the Ghana for Jimmy. Listen to this liar. Paul Adom-Otchere, this is yesterday.
Doesn't live in the country. So many defamation suits have been filed against him. Maybe I'm going to add mine. It's all sitting here.
When we said that he had run away into Ghana, he was not able to talk about it. This guy has a loud mouth. He talks about everything. He was told that you came to Ghana and you ran away. And I'm hearing from some of the ministers that we even thought were responsible, that some of them said that it is they who asked him to leave because they can't have him here. And he hasn't said anything about it. He's tried to come to Ghana and told the government that they should give him an appointment so that you have an immunity. I mean, you cannot live in Ghana and do that kind of journalism. He has to know that, and therefore, he has to come and face the bench warrants. I hope that the things we are hearing that Justice Bafoboni is being told by some of the people in the ruling party that he should try hard and do something as acting Chief Justice to bring the guy into town so that he can live in Ghana and all of that. I hope those things are not true. That's what they call their style of journalism. It's called Jandam. I understand that it means you say the thing that is not true, say it so many times. This guy, we also hear that Ibrahim Mahama sends him money to buy a bundle. Apparently, he wants money to buy a bundle, so he gets $180, $130 from... Ibrahim Mahama is a generous guy. Everybody knows that. So Ibrahim's generosity buys him bundle to do his program. I don't know whether Ibrahim knows the kinds of things he says about people like Asante, people like Duncan Williams, who Ibrahim Mahama understands are an important aspect of our social democracy, our social fiber. He understands that. But he sends him bundle money. I mean, if I was to ask Ibrahim for bundle money, I'm sure he'll send me. So he sends him bundle money, so he gets $120 to buy a bundle and then do... I know of another businessman. I mean, he thinks that we know everything that happens around what he does. But those are not newsworthy. They are not things that come into the news. So we don't talk about them. So he gets some bundle every now and then, and he does what he does. And so everything he says about me or my home is not true. But the $120 Ibrahim gives him for bundle, I think he should take the money and use it to broadcast something important about Ghana. If he's talking about Ghana, it should be more important, not things that are completely untrue, basically untrue, just so that he gets attention. Send him this book. I'm reading a book entitled The Prime Minister.
You see? Does it actually answer the question? No. Was he able to say, no man slept with my wife? He couldn't answer. Was he able to say, my wife hasn't divorced me? He just said, oh, it is not true. That is what he does. With all due respect, Paul, we don't buy bundle in America. Wait, you are just crazy. America, it's bundle. We don't buy bundle in America. Yes, you see, this is a dirty liar. This is a dirty liar who needs to be exposed to the core. Yes, you have to come and say, this person has not had an affair with my wife. My wife has not divorced me. I live in my house with my wife. She hasn't divorced me. Why can't you say that? The guy chopped your wife. Your wife has divorced you because you are a dirty riffraff who is on drugs and chasing boys and other dirty girls. What has Ibrahim Mahama got to do with bundle and Duncan Williams and Otunfo and the issues? You always need to put them where they belong. Where is bundle coming? Bundle free in a bemu. If Ibrahim Mahama decides to sue you, can you prove that $180? What is $180? Who buys bundle in America? The homeless in America, they don't even buy bundle. The homeless people in America, people who are homeless and jobless, they don't even buy bundle. What is bundle? This is how low we have come. And I don't blame Paul. I blame a Zoom Lion. Only the when you scan or the makwasiasi at the TV so. Zoom Lion. Only the sika and one makwasiasi at the TV so. Now Zoom Lion no. Or your Pentecost ni penny no. Say asori okono so obu asori no and obu mra na twa asori ho a. Kwasi ampenyin say ya. Yade ni video abeto abontina obo jantra wana wari echi. Enye support na o support na. Ade na makwasia we dan ho tena TV so. That means you, Zoom Lion, you are in support of Sam Kwasiade Adom-Otchere Oye out of his marriage. And yep, Zoom Lion can Sam Kwasiade Gebezi. And can see. So I don't blame this filthy, dirty, slimy, drug addicted fool, Paul Adom-Otchere. I blame the people giving him the platform. What is your response? Ibrahim Mahama, Otumfo, Duncan Williams, and he said he's coming to Ghana. The first time you people said Kevin Taylor cannot enter Ghana. If you're a man, come to Ghana. Now it has turned into, he came to Ghana and the government supported him, and now he has turned into, somebody wants him to come to Ghana. Mwe Jimmy. You people don't know what you want. And Zoom Lion, I'm going to say, Ghana. It is Zoom Lion. He is the one behind this fucking thing. He's the one behind this nonsense. Now Pentecost ni penyini say ubu yere ebu fie enim say ade a wo ye no ye se de nam ne so asuntu dia beba do onue wona watam sika makwasia we edi nkwasia sem wo Ghana na nka wo ye kristoni a wo som nyame a wo gi nyame dia. How will you allow this fool, from what you know about this guy, to still be sitting on your TV? I blame Zoom Lion, and you are the one I blame. Ebia hu de onfa osika nye. Ebia wankasa no Pentecost na uko no wonti ase. But me promise Paul something. You have eaten poison, you have murdered sleep, and you will sleep no more. Paul, you have murdered sleep, and you will sleep no more. Your woman, your wife, your ex-wife is an innocent woman, but there are a lot of things I'm going to put out. It hurts to say your children will see and your ex-wife will see. It hurts me, and I'm first going to apologize to them. Because in the future, I'm going to do damage. People like you are not supposed to live amongst humans. I'm apologizing to your kids first. I really apologize to them. I apologize to your ex-wife. I am going to do damage, but a home popriano, they will get a little bit of the hit because they will see you. They will see things they don't want to see. And it's all because with Jimmy and Amasa Nyoma Winyina isi. So you have actually murdered sleep. I am responding to yesterday editorial to let you know I am not done. And it's not going to be business as usual. It's going to be crazier. Inti mama wati asiye. I've responded, and I don't say anything again. I will come back. It is simple as that. I apologize to your children. I already apologize. I'm apologizing in advance. I'm apologizing to your ex-wife. They will see things that will haunt them for the rest of their lives. But at the end of the day, I didn't call for this. Paul Adom-Otchere, 2 days to your wedding. 2 days to your wedding in 2005. 2 days to your wedding. You had anal intercourse with a man called Alex Yeboah. He was a very good friend of Gabi Ochredako. You have forgotten about those records, right? 2 days. I will be worried. 2 days. I will show you what you don't want to see in your life. 2 days, answer now your wedding, you were treating gonorrhea. The gentleman you had anal sex with, your friend of Amibodi intro, the gentleman you had that intercourse with your friend, Alex Yeboah. Alex Yeboah. You had gonorrhea. You were treating it 2 days before your wedding. Paul, I said you have eaten poison and also you have murdered sleep. You will sleep no more. 2 days to your wedding, you had anal sex with Alex Yeboah. You were treating gonorrhea before the wedding. You want evidence? I will show you. You think it's a joke? Then I'm abdin kapa wo mana chow, and I'm abdin kapa wo your ex-wife chow. What you are going to see, it will kill you slowly. Any day you will die in your bed. You have no idea. My body, the gentleman you had anal sex with, your friend Alex Yeboah, 2 days before your wedding, you were treating gonorrhea. You. Alex Yeboah is Gabi Ochredaku's very good friend. Anything I'm not going to say this and that, and I'm not going to insinuate. I'm not going to speculate. I'm going to be specific. The gentleman you had anal sex with, your friend Alex Yeboah, and Alexia Boa is willing to speak on my show. You have no idea. Eh? You just say, where we? You have no idea what's coming. You have no idea. Anytime I catch up on man and say, I'm sorry, the kind of pictures, reports I'm going to put on my screen as time goes on, I'm apologizing to your kids because it's going to stay on the internet for life. Mr. P, Mr. S, TV is off. Please, technical team, look at this for me before I continue.
Yo! We are best fishermen. No, no answer my Adom-Otchere. You will for Belgium fan. You want to see a Belgium fan. You will do a Belgium fan. Why you're here? Why round? Why you're here? Why round? Why you're here? Why round? Why you're here? Super why round? You will for Belgium fan. You want to see a Belgium fan. You will do a Belgium fan. You will do a Belgium fan. Why you're here? Why round? 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 Yeah, we papa no. What one is the motto? Yeah, we papa no. What one is the motto? Yeah, we papa no. What one is the motto? Yeah, we papa no. What one is the motto? Why round? Why you're here? Why round? I want it. Original. I will move for Belgium fan. I want to see Belgium fan. We are best fishermen. No answer my Adom-Otchere. You will for Belgium fan. You want to see a Belgium fan. I will do a Belgium fan. Why you're here? Why round? Why you're here? Why round? Why you're here? Why round? Why you're here? Super why round? You will for Belgium fan. I want to see a Belgium fan. I will do a Belgium fan. I will do a Belgium fan. Why you're here? Why round? 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 Yeah, we papa no. What one is the motto? Yeah, we papa no. What one is the motto? Yeah, we papa no. What one is the motto? Yeah, we papa no. What one is the motto? Why round? Why you're here? Why round? I want it. Original. I will move for Belgium fan. I want to see a Belgium fan. Where you mind?
All right, thank you very much for staying. You're still watching With All Due Respect Extended Version. My name is Kevin Akobedu Taylor. Our producers are called the Ghost Team. TV is off. I don't know. It might be technical. It might be weather. Into ABR is going to come back. I don't know why TV is off. I'm still waiting for my team to give me feedback why TV is off. Into moi, TV no off. You can switch to YouTube, or you can watch on Facebook. You can listen to it on radio. But it might be weather. I have no control over TV right now. So I'm still waiting on the technical team to send me a report why TV is off. Normally, when it goes off the next 2-3 minutes, I get an email from the technical team why TV is off. I've still not received the email yet. So I am waiting for the team to send me email on why the TV is off. It might be weather. So moi, TV no off. No, it's a general thing. You can switch to YouTube or Facebook or obetumi tie so radio so. Now let's take care of some stories.